Welcome learners. In today's video we will learn how to check plagiarism in Turnitin without uploading your file. So you will be surprised to hear that mostly we or students check plagiarism in Turnitin by uploading your research file. But I am telling you a unique method to check your plagiarism in Turnitin without uploading your research paper or your thesis. So how we will do this, I will tell in this video step by step. So please watch this video till end and don't miss any part because this video is going to be very useful for you. So welcome to Murad Academy, the place where people come to learn. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my latest videos notification easily. So in this video I am about to tell you how to check plagiarism in Turnitin software without uploading your file. So how to learn it? Let's go to the Turnitin website. So learners, I have logged into my Turnitin account ID. If you don't know how to make a free Turnitin account and how to check plagiarism, I have already made a video on it and I will give its link in down below in the description below. So moving to our video, as I am about to tell you how to check plagiarism in Turnitin without uploading your thesis or research file. So first you have to log in into your Turnitin account with your password and ID. If you don't have any password, if you don't have any class ID, then do inbox me on my Facebook account. I will provide you. There's no big issue. So I have logged in. So next step is we have to copy the data which we want to check the plagiarism of. So here it is. I've copied that. I have selected, then copied it, and I'm going to the website once again. And now I will go to submit. Click on submit option. Here you will see the normal method to check plagiarism, where we upload the file. Here you have to do this thing. Now here what you have to do this is a simple step, a new step, or you can say which mostly don't people know how to check, how to use that simple method. So simple tool, or you can say simple option, simple way, or simple step. You can say, you can call it anything you want to. So what you have to do, you have to go to the top, it's written single file upload and then small arrow. You have to click on that. Then there comes the option cut and paste upload. Click on it. Then a new window will open, which will show you the file name, the last name. You can put according to your need, or it's already given and it's made on your account. So what you have to enter is number 1, submission title. It can be any according to you. Then the part which you want to check plagiarism is pasted here, which you have copied. Then click on upload and wait for few minutes to get it upload in Turnitin software. Now it's getting upload. We are coming to our next step, which is showing that submit, cut and paste upload. Now it's on processing, as you can see, under processing. Now you're seeing there are 3 options: author, assignment title and submission title. After now its submission, you can see there is new option: page count, word count and character count. So now it's asking us that please confirm your submission. We will click on it. After clicking on it, it will tell us that congratulations, your submission is complete. This is your digital receipt. You can print a copy of this receipt from within the document viewer. As you can see, it is providing us all details of our plagiarism report. So now what you have to do is click on return to assignment list and wait for few minutes to get our file checked. So we are here back to our main page, home page of Turnitin. So it's checking our plagiarism. So we have to wait for few minutes. Keep. So learners, we are still waiting for our plagiarism report to be checked. So here it is. The result has arrived of our plagiarism report. It's 73%. So now we will go to view, click on view option to see our plagiarism report. It will take few seconds and it's almost done. So the right side you can see there are different options like layers, match overview, single sources, then there is filters and settings, then there is download option, and then there is submission information. So I will show you one by one these options. First I will click on active layers. There is a similarity showing us. Then if I click on match overview, it will show us the total plagiarism of our report plus the single sources as well. So you can see that in front of you more single source is 21% from this website, then there is 8% from this website, then 7, and then so on. And our main plagiarism is 73% and single source plagiarism is in front of you. So keep one thing in mind, important thing, that this match overview should be less than 19% and these single sources plagiarism should be less than 6%. I repeat, the match overview or similarity index percentage should be less than 19% and the single sources similarity index should be less than 6%. So if I click on them, it will show me directly the portion and the highlighted portion of this single source. Now I will click on the single source option. It will show me only the single source plagiarism. If I click on this option, which was filter settings, it will show me different settings and filters such as exclude quotes, exclude bibliography, exclude source that are less than words. So when you are checking your plagiarism, you exclude the quotes, number one. Number two, you exclude the bibliography because they are not relevant. You can't check plagiarism on them. So you only check plagiarism of chapter 1 till results chapter. So it's done here. Let's go to the download option, which is here. We'll click on current view and wait for a file to be downloaded in our downloaded folder in our PC or our laptop. So we'll wait for that. Meanwhile, that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. You learned how to check plagiarism in Turnitin software without uploading your file. If you like this video, then do click on like button. If you haven't liked this video, then do click on dislike button. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe for more such informational videos. And don't forget to press the bell button to get latest notifications of my latest videos. So if you want to give any suggestions, any comments, if you want to learn anything about research, books, websites or YouTube or other material, then do comment. So for today, it's all over. Thanks for watching.